Hey folks, it's Saturday morning at the cabin, and guess what? It rained. Welcome to my chocolate river. Our land is completely submerged. The water is all the way up to the first step on the new stairs. So it's probably going to take a lot of that dirt that I have down there away. And the plan was to get grass seed this week and plant it. That ain't happening. Win some, lose some. Yeah. It's about as steep as I've seen it this year. Might be the deepest. I don't know if I saw it come up over the bottom part of that land. I know it has when I wasn't here because the grass is all laid down before. But yeah, my big rock in the middle causing all that noise. Alright, well, I'm going to sit down and have some coffee. See ya.